Hello, my friends and family. Salam. Today I'm gonna give you very easy recipe, unique and wonderful, and mostly people like it because it's so basic actually, but still unique at the same time. So I'm gonna make lamb back chops today, but the recipe is so beautiful, to be honest, so unique. What we need, I'm taking 1 kg of lamb chops. It's a back chop actually, and 1 medium onion, and cooking oil, 3G paste, meaning ginger, garlic, and green chili, 1 lemon, Greek yogurt, thick Greek yogurt, and these are few masala jat. And this is salt and turmeric, one teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon turmeric, and 1 teaspoon coriander, and this is half a teaspoon mild curry powder, 1 teaspoon fenugreek leaf, and these are cumin seed, one teaspoon, crushed chili, 1 teaspoon, garam masala, 1 teaspoon, and this is crushed black pepper, half a teaspoon. So look at the beauty of the meat. It's so thick, juicy, and so gorgeous, to be honest. So nice. And let's get started. So this is 3G paste, ginger, garlic, and green chili. Gonna go in it, and everything gonna go in it. Lemon, thick Greek yogurt, 1, 2, and 3 tablespoons should be okay for 1 kg meat. Mix it well. ਇਹਦਾ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਮਸਾਜ ਕਰੋ. Let it penetrate everything into the meat, and leave it for an hour, and I'll see you after an hour. So it's been an hour, my friends and family, and now I'll show you the next procedure. I'm making it in an instant pot, but you can make it in your whatever pot you have. So turn on the saute mode, and oil is gonna go in it. Onion, and I'm gonna fry these onions for maybe 10 minutes. So the onions are almost ready. The next step is everything's gonna go in it. I don't want to waste anything because this is all everything masala and yogurt, and marination is so beautiful, tasty and lovely. So mix it well. And simmer it for 5 minutes, and I'll see you after 5 minutes. So turn off the saute mode and turn on the pressure cooker mode, and put the lid. Just cancel everything first. Yeah. And now turn on the pressure cooker mode and leave it for, I did not put any water in it because see, the meat releases its own water, so you don't need to put any water. And there's also like yogurt and lemon, and it's quite liquidy actually, so you don't need to put water in it. So I'll meet you after 15 minutes. So cancel everything and release the steam. Let's see how it looks from inside. Oh my god, look at the beauty. It's sizzling and bubbling up. And see, we did not put any water in it, and there's plenty of water already because meat has released their own water. And now I'm gonna turn on the saute mode and fry it for 10 minutes. And I'll meet you after 10 minutes. So the fabulous dish is ready, and seems so delectable, to be honest. And see the piece, it's so tender, and apparently it's so delicious. And you can enjoy it with roti, naan, boiled rice, or chickpeas pulao. The choice is yours. And enjoy your evening. Encourage me to do more. Subscribe to my channel and like it, please. And I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Khuda Hafiz.